Imagine a world where you could turn a simple idea into a thriving business, generating up to $600 a day no matter where you are. The potential of starting a business is immense. It's about being your own boss, enjoying the flexibility of setting your own hours, and reaping the financial benefits of your hard work. The truth is, with the right idea and execution, anyone can start a successful business. And now, without further ado, let's delve into these simple business ideas that you can start today. First on our list is freelance writing. This involves creating content for various platforms from the comfort of your home or any location. With the digital space expanding, the demand for quality content is skyrocketing. This business idea has minimal startup costs. All you need is a laptop and a knack for crafting compelling narratives. Whether you're in New York or Nepal, your services are sought after, making this a universally viable business idea. Freelance writing, a business idea as mobile as your laptop. Next up is offering virtual assistant services. Imagine a world where you can lend your skills to businesses from the comfort of your home. Virtual assistance is just that. It's a rapidly growing field with a vast scope, from managing emails to handling social media. And the potential income? It's as vast as the roles you can take up. The rise in remote work has only amplified the need for virtual assistants. It's a business idea without borders. Virtual assistants, a business idea that connects you to the world. Third on our list is online tutoring. Imagine sharing your expertise with eager learners across the globe, right from the comfort of your home. As the digital age transforms education, the demand for online tutors in a multitude of subjects is skyrocketing. This venture can provide a steady income stream, with top tutors making a substantial living. Its global reach ensures that time zones and borders are no obstacles to your potential success. Online tutoring, a business idea that educates the world. Now, for a quick-fire round of the remaining 4 business ideas. First up, dropshipping. This is an e-commerce business model where you sell products online without holding any inventory. You partner with suppliers who fulfill orders directly to your customers. The potential income here is vast, with some successful dropshippers making thousands per day. And the best part? It works anywhere in the world. All you need is an internet connection. Next, we have social media management. This involves managing a company's social media platforms, creating content, and engaging with the audience. The potential income can reach several $100s per day, depending on your client's size and needs. Again, this business idea can be operated from anywhere. Third in line is digital marketing services. This encompasses SEO, email marketing, online advertising, and more. The income potential here is high, especially as businesses are willing to invest in online visibility. You can offer these services regardless of your location, making this a globally viable business idea. Lastly, we have blogging. This involves writing and publishing articles on a specific niche. You can earn money through advertisements, sponsored posts, or affiliate marketing. Income can vary greatly, but successful bloggers can earn over $600 a day. The beauty of blogging is that it's not limited by geography. And there you have it, 7 simple business ideas that can work anywhere in the world. Now that you're armed with these business ideas, it's time to take action. Don't let these ideas just be ideas. Turn them into your reality. With some determination, a dash of strategy, and a sprinkle of courage, you can turn these simple concepts into a thriving business. So, are you ready to become your own boss? Subscribe for more business ideas, plus get a chance to win free money when we reach 9,000 subscribers. All you have to do is leave a comment. Remember, the world is your oyster and your entrepreneurship journey starts today.